How well do you know about animals? Let's find out how much you really know about the amazing animal kingdom. Which one lays eggs? Crocodile. Which one sleeps with open eyes? Snake. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Which animal is the largest mammal? Blue whale? Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra? Which one is known for changing its color? Chameleon. Which animal can fly backwards? Hummingbird. Which one is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which one has the longest neck? Camel. Camel. Which one is the largest bird? Ostrich? Which one lives both in water and on land? Crocodile. Which one is a mammal? Dolphin. Which animal can sleep while standing? Cow. Which one can rotate its head almost fully around? Owl. Which animal carries its baby in a pouch? Kangaroo. Which animal has a long trunk? Elephant. Which one has the strongest bite? Crocodile. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Dovey. Which one can live the longest? Tortoise. Which animal has a pouch called a marsupial? Kangaroo. Which animal is known for its black and white fur and eats bamboo? Panda. Which animal is known for its black and white fur and eats bamboo? Panda. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin. Which one is known as a clever animal? Fox. Which one is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Which one has blue blood? Crab. Which one can regrow its tail? Lizard. Which animal has no bones? Jellyfish. Which one is known as the laughing animal? Hyena. Which one uses echolocation to move in the dark? Bat. Which one lives in the Arctic and has white fur? Polar bear. Which one is the slowest animal? Sloth. Which animal's group is called a pride? Lion. Which bird can mimic human speech? Parrot. Parrot. Hedgehog. Which one is known as a man's best friend? Dog. Which animal can run on water? Basilisk lizard. Which animal can survive without water for weeks? Camel. Which one is the national bird of the United States? Eagle. Which animal is called the giant panda's cousin? Red panda. Which bird is known for its beautiful tail feathers? Peacock. Which sea animal has 8 arms? Octopus. Which one sleeps upside down? Bat. Which animal is known for building dams? Beaver. Which one is the heaviest land animal? Elephant. Which one has the biggest eyes in the animal kingdom? Squid. Which bird delivers messages in old times? Pigeon. Which one can walk sideways? Crab, which one can walk sideways? Which animal has a horn on its nose? Rhino. So, how well do you know about animals? Did you get them all right, or did some questions surprise you? Tell us your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love animal quizzes. See you next time for another fun challenge.